Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for environmental studies for standard 5, chapter number 1, that is super senses. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, the sense of smell of which animal is helpful in catching criminals? It's option number D, dog. Second, which bird has eyes on the front side of its head just like human beings? It is owl. Option number A. Third, which animal can see 6 times better at night than human beings can? It's option number C, tiger. Fourth, in which colors can animals that stay awake during the night see objects? It's option number B, black and white. Fifth, the ears of which of the following animals can we not see? It's option number C, crocodile. Sixth, which of the following animals is the one that hangs upside down on branches and sleeps for almost 18 hours every day? It's option number C, a sloth. Seventh, which is the sanctuary for birds in Gujarat? It's option number B, Nal Sarovar. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, animals can experience taste, smell and feelings. Second, owls are birds that can see in the dark also. Third, animals that stay away during the day can see some colors. Fourth, birds have small holes covered with feathers in place of ears. Fifth, fish give warning with electric signals. Sixth, a lizard goes into a long deep sleep during the winter season. Seventh, a tiger marks and separates its area with its urine. 8. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is a protected area for lions. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, an ant recognizes another ant by its smell. It is true. Second, mosquitoes find us with the help of our body odor. It is true. Third, a dog's sense of smell is very sharp. It is true. Fourth, a sloth looks like a tiger. It is false. Fifth, most birds have eyes in the front of their heads. It is false. Sixth, a kite can see only those things that are near it. It is false. Seventh, animals cannot see as many colors as we can. It is true. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, ant. It's option number C. The third one, walk in a straight line. Second, dog. It's option number E, means the fifth one, has a very sharp sense of smell. Third, tiger. It's option number A, that is the first one. Its whiskers are very sensitive. Fourth, eagle. It's option number B, means the second one, can see things that are very far. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, how do ants recognize their friends? Ants can recognize their friends by their specific smell. Second, how does a mosquito know where a human being is? Mosquitoes find us by the smell of our body, soles of feet, and also by the heat of our body. Third, name any 2 animals that go out in search of food at night. Owl and bat go out in search of food at night. Fourth, how does a snake hear? Snakes do not have external ears. They can only experience the vibrations of the ground and hear with their help. Fifth, how do fish give warning signals? Fish give warnings with electric signals. Sixth, what do dolphins do to pass messages to each other? Dolphins make various sounds to pass messages to each other. Seventh, in what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? Human beings use this special sense of smell of dogs to catch criminals, to detect bombs, and to locate lost items. 8. Write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its head like in human beings. Owl has eyes in front of its head like in human beings. 9th, which birds can see things that are at distance of 4 times the range of human sight? Birds like kites, eagles, vultures, etc. can see things that are at a distance of 4 times the range of human eyesight. 10th, write the names of 4 birds which have eyes on either side of the head. Crow, pigeon, parrot, sparrow, etc. have eyes on either side of the head. 11th, from what distance can an eagle in the sky see a roti on the ground? An eagle can see from a distance of 1 to 2 km high on the ground. 12th, write the names of 6 animals whose ears are bigger than our ears. Elephants, horses, cows, bulls, buffaloes, goats, deer, etc. have ears that are bigger than our ears. 13th, what is a sanctuary? A sanctuary is an area which has been declared as protected for the conservation and increase in numbers of those wild animals or birds, plant species which are in danger of extinction. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions. First one, what do animals do with their senses? Animals have various senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and also feel emotions. Many animals can see their food from a great distance. Many animals can hear the faintest of sounds. Moreover, many animals can recognize their friends just by the sense of smell. Second one, how do birds give different signals to alert about danger? Birds also give such warning calls in case they sense danger. They have a different call to warn about danger. For example, if the enemy is coming from the sky, the warning call is different from the one which tells others about an enemy on the ground. Third question, give examples of animals that may have a very strong sense of sight, hearing, or smell. First, strong sense of sight, that is tigers, eagles, kites, hawks, and vultures. Second is strong sense of hearing, that is dogs, bats, elephants, tigers. And third, strong sense of smell, that is dogs, ants, and silkworm. Fourth question, is a smell good or foul for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? A smell is good or bad depends on how each one thinks about it. Fifth question, state 2 reasons for dangers to tigers in the jungle. The biggest threat to tigers is from hunters and poachers who kill them for their skins. Dangers are also from destruction of forest fibers, and the growing imbalance in nature. Sixth one, when do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? Besides smelling the bad food and the smell of burning, our sense of smell helps us to choose good food, perfume, soap, incense stick, etc., and also to find out if any cloth is stinking due to sweat. Seventh one, what is the meaning of national park? Name 4 national parks of Gujarat. Places wherein natural vegetation, wild animals, birds, natural beauty, and important national areas are protected are known as national parks. The Gir National Park, Kalyar National Park, the Marine National Park, and the Vansada National Park are the famous national parks of Gujarat. Now we'll continue with question number 7, that is answer as asked. First question is, write the names of the 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you do not like. So you can see from the table and complete the smells. Second question, are human beings also a threat to animals? How? Yes, human beings are also a threat to animals. Due to continuous poaching, many animals have either got extinct or have come to the stage of extinction. Elephants are killed for their tusks, tigers, crocodiles, and snakes for their skin, and so on. Musk deer are killed to prepare scent from their musk. Further, growing human interference and destruction of forests have only aggravated dangers to these animals. Now we'll continue with question number 8, that is classify the following. And this classification is between the animals whose ears can be seen and animals whose ears cannot be seen. So the animals whose ears can be seen are cat, deer, rabbit, elephant, cow, and tiger. And animals whose ears cannot be seen are peacock, fish, crocodile, pigeon, lizard, and kite. Now we'll see the activities. For that, the first question is, could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? So the answer is no, I could not see my friend's action without moving my neck. And the second question is, now without moving your neck, try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open. I can see my friend's action with both my eyes open and without moving my neck. The third question is, what was the difference between looking with one and with both eyes? When I tried to see without moving my head with one eye, I could see only on the side of the open eye, whereas with both eyes open, I could see on both sides even without moving my head. Now the second question. Now toss a small or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? So it was easier to catch the small ball or coin with both my eyes open. The third answer is, when we did this activity in both ways, the sound was sharper when we had our hands behind our ears. All my friends could also hear the sound more clearly when they had their hands behind their ears. And the fourth answer of the activity is, yes, I can hear my own voice. Now the creative activity, for that you just need to write the name of your dog. So you can write any of the name. I have written it as Tom. And now the HOTS questions, MCQs. First one, which of the following animals have a very sharp and long range of vision? It is option number D, eagles. Second, why do many birds have to move their necks from side to see? It's option number C, because their eyes are fixed and do not move. Third, which of the following animals have small holes in place of ears? It's option number A, parrots. Fourth, which animal goes into a long deep sleep during the winter season? It's option number C, a lizard. Fifth, animals and their useful body parts are given below. Which of the given pairs is incorrect? It's option number A, musk deer and nails. And here we come to the end of chapter number 1, that is super senses. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.